What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And guys, we just got a package for you guys today, so let's check out what it is right now. So I ordered this to complete a collection. So now I have all of these. Let's check the condition real quick before I show you what it is. Clean. And there are some more packages coming, so be on the lookout for those. But yeah, so now, yeah, they're all clean. So we have got the Dawn of the Attitude. So now I have all the Attitude DVD. Yeah, the Attitude Era DVDs. So yeah. This is the documentary feature, so you have matches from Owen Hart and British Bulldog versus Stone Cold Steve Austin. A handicap match. Well, that's weird. It only says versus Stone Cold. Huh, that's weird. Shawn Michaels versus Undertaker in your house. The Rock versus Stone Cold for the IC title. I've never seen that match. Shawn Michaels, British Bulldog versus Shawn Michaels, and you have the documentary portion of it on disc 1. So it is Evolution and Transforming, Pulling the Curtain Back, Epic Storytelling, No Limitations, Rise of Stone Cold, Raw is War, Guerrilla Programming, Divas Engagement, Canadian Pride, Evolution of Triple H, Faces of Foley, Know Your Role and Shut Your Damn Mouth, Uncertainty, Development Switch, BSK and the Click, and Ensuring Success. So you have a street fight, Bret Hart versus Stone Cold, submission match, WrestleMania 13. So you have Stone Cold right there. You have the first disc is Stone Cold and Bret. And then you have Bret in the wheelchair quitting, I believe. Yeah, the second disc with Triple H and Shawn Michaels. And this came out in 2017. So I think this is the last Attitude Era DVD that came out until Prelude to Attitude. So you got Dude Love on the second photo. Then you got Brothers of Destruction, and you can see that photo. I got Kane and Undertaker. So yeah, very good set here. I cannot wait to watch it. You got Hunter Hearst Helmsley versus Mankind. Owen Hart versus British Bulldog. Psycho Sid versus Shawn Michaels at the Royal Rumble. Sable in a potato sack. What the hell? So you got DX and Nation of Domination right there. And then on the back here, you got Undertaker from WrestleMania 13, Shawn Michaels and Psycho Sid. You got Rock and Austin. You got Hunter Hearst Helmsley or Triple H. You got Psycho Sid and Shawn Michaels. This is a 7-hour runtime, came out in 2017. So you got the Dawn of the Attitude. This has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And I'm out. Peace.